Dongguan Test Technology Co. Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in home diagnostic products with focuses on the research and development for 21 years. And a 10-year cooperation with Toshiba and OSACHI. As one of the drafters of National Industry Standard of sphygmomanometer. DGE Test is well known for its quality and design in providing manufacturing services to OEM/ODM customers all over the world. Located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, DGE Test products include electronic blood pressure monitors, digital thermometers, blood glucose meters, multifunctional health monitors, etc. All DGE Test products are designed by our internal research and development department and manufactured under ISO 13485 standards with certifications of FDA, CFDA, CE MDR and more than 100 patents. Under the motto, Innovating Technology to Care for Your Health, DGE Test is committed to becoming a trusted company and brand for medical devices with high quality, accurate testing and easy to use products.